Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you on how to set up the projector so that you can use it on your presentation during your training. So I have here an Acer projector, and then I also have here my laptop. So the first step in setting up the projector is to power it on. Using power cable, connect it to your projector's power cable port. So this is the back of the projector. So connect it to the power cable port and then plug in to the main power supply or outlet. Okay, now that's done. The next step is to remove the cover for the lens of the projector, and then power on the projector by pressing the power button or by using the remote and then press the power button. Projector should be booting right now. It will take a few seconds, so you will know that the projector is on if there is an output displayed on the projector from the projector itself. Okay, we now see an output from the projector. However, it is a bit out of focus. So using the knobs on the projector or the focus settings, you can adjust the focus by moving it just like so. Okay, the output is now focused. So the next step is to connect your laptop. So first of all, let me turn on my laptop. Then after that, we have to connect the laptop to the projector by using a cable. In my case, I'll be using HDMI cable. In some cases, you can also use a VGA cable, but it depends on your laptop and your projector. So I'll be connecting this one at the back of the projector. And then the other end, connect it to your laptop HDMI port. Now that's connected already, you have to make sure that the projector will accept HDMI as input. In some cases, the projector can detect automatically what input is being fed. However, we can also manually set the input to be HDMI. So right now, HDMI the projector is currently set as a HDMI input. So you can choose the input by having the source button, and then you select what source you want. So on your laptop, on the keyboard itself, press Windows key and then letter P, and then select extend, or it depends on you, but for me I'll be selecting extend. So press enter or just click. With that, the projector should be able to display your laptop. So because I'm using extend option, when I present, I will be able to have my notes here, and then I will also see the next slide, and then the presentation is seen on the projector. So that is how to use your projector for your presentation. How to set up the projector, how to connect it to your laptop and use it during your training. So the next step that we're going to do is how to properly turn off your projector. So you end your presentation, you disconnect the HDMI cable like so, and then easy, just press the power button. Sometimes it requires you pressing twice. you will know that it's already off if you won't hear any fan spinning or there is no longer displayed on the projector. So like so, just cover the lens, disconnect the power, disconnect the HDMI cable and the power cable, put it on the storage, including the remote. Now we're done. So that's it. We're done. That's how to use the projector and then how to properly store it after using.